Good morning mga kadoks! Kamusta na po kayo? So, this video is all about my GMC registration. So, GMC means General Medical Council. So if you compare it to the Philippines, GMC is like a regulatory board for people who wants to practice as a doctor here in the UK. While in the Philippines, it is called PRC, or Professional Regulation Commission. So this is the body that regulates the practice of doctors here in the UK. As you all know, I'm already living here in the UK for a year now. I'm on a dependent visa. My wife is a nurse, and I'm here in the UK. We are here in the UK, and I'm already on my way to become and to work as a doctor here. So I already passed my exam, the OET, PLAB 1 and PLAB 2, which is one of the exams that you could take to become a doctor here. So I passed last May of 2024, the last exam. Then I already did my documents for my GMC registration. So it took me 3 months to gather all my documents and send it to GMC. Then finally, last Thursday, I already have my GMC registration. Yeah! So I really thought that this GMC registration is straightforward and very easy, because some say that you can get it in less than a month time. But in my case, it took me 3 months to complete my GMC registration. I think it's because of my work experiences before. So I had a lot, so I need to contact each and every one of them. I need to ask for documents, and GMC also needs to verify my previous employment. So it really took me some time to get my GMC registration. So finally, as you can see here in your screen, I already got my GMC registration, and I'm officially listed as a doctor here in the UK. Although I'm still jobless at the moment as a doctor, but the good thing is that I'm already here in the UK, and I'm already working in a non-medical job, so it will be quite easy for me to go here and there for my application to become a doctor here in the UK, because I'm already here. So as you all know, if you've been following my previous videos, I'm on a clinical attachment. So it's one of the things that you could do to boost your CV, so that you will have a better chance of landing on a job that you like, to become a doctor. So that's what I'm doing for the past 4 months now here in a local trust here in the NHS. So I've been doing this attachment with pediatrics and neonatology, which is the specialty that I would like to enter as my first doctor job. So I'm already a pediatrician in the Philippines, so hopefully I will land my first job here as a pediatrician anytime soon, especially now that I'm already registered with the GMC. Finally, I'm currently going to the hospital because it's my attachment day. It's a Saturday. So what I'm doing today is I'm gonna ask out doctors, my seniors, or some consultants maybe, if there's a job opening anytime soon, because I really want to apply in this hospital that I've been working with for the past months, because it's also not easy to relocate again to another city or town here in the UK. So that's my goal on the next days and weeks, to ask out if there's a job opening here in my trust, or if not, I will be or we will be forced to relocate somewhere else, like in London or in other big cities. So let's see what will happen in the next days. Hopefully it will be all positive, and the big blessing that I had for today is that I already have my GMC registration and I'm already a doctor here in the UK. So it's just a matter of time before I get or land my first job as a doctor here in. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe. Paalam mga kudoks.